Today I'd like to talk to you about what are the 5 most common general liability claims that you're likely to experience in a home healthcare environment. And just to remind you why we talk about common claims is because if you have your hands around what's most likely to happen to you, you're going to be more likely to prevent the large accidents. Risk people talk about things in terms of a triangle. If you've got at the very top your most severe accidents and at the very bottom your near misses, if you can have less near misses and less small accidents, you're going to be less likely to have a large accident. You'll make the whole pyramid smaller. So what are the 5 most common claims? A fall, slip and fall, a fatality, alleged negligence, property damage, and burglary or theft. And this makes sense when you're thinking about a home health environment. You are going into somebody's home because they need help. Either they are struggling with activities of daily living, maybe they're a senior, maybe they're intellectually or developmentally disabled, and they need your help operating their day-to-day life. This means they're going to be more inclined to fall. This means if they get hurt, they're going to be more inclined to die. You're also in an environment where you may damage somebody else's property, or they may say one of your caregivers stole a necklace or stole some of your property or damaged the home. It all has to do with where you are doing business. So things that you can do to think through this issue is, 1, have a slip and fall prevention program. There are lots of resources out there. If you're working with a company that specializes in this, I'm sure they're going to want to talk to you about slip and fall prevention. Make sure you're screening your employees so that you know that if they've got a history of theft or any type of crime. You only want to send caregivers into somebody's home if they're somebody that you've vetted and you can make sure that they are good. And document what you're doing while you're there. Because if somebody's going to come back and sue you for not taking care of somebody else, the way you defend yourself is through documentation. Or if they're going to say you damaged their property, the way you defend yourself is through documentation. It all comes back to documentation. I hope that this helps you think through the issues of the 5 most common claims that are going to be likely to impact you, why it's important to think about it, and what you can do about it. And if any of this has you asking questions about your current program or broker relationship, and you'd like to talk to somebody about it, please reach out to us at www.bitnerhenry.com. I'm Daryl Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.